A special
ndagira ngo nshimire umugore wanje Pasteur Angelique Gitwaza.
I would like to thank my wife, Pastor Angelique Gitwaza.
Ndamushimira.
I thank her
kuko yihanganiye umugabo w'intege nke.
For she bear the husband with his weaknesses.
Kandi ntashwa yari afite niwe Imana yamuhaye.
She had no choice, she had been given to me.
Ariko muri ziriya ntege nke niho yabashe kuzuza nawe aho ndashoboye.
But through my weaknesses she fulfilled.
Yampaye courage.
She encouraged me.
Yarambwiye ngo kora umurimo w'Imana.
She told me go and serve God.
Nigi yari kwibagira barimo bamubaga kubyara.
Even when she was in the operating room on the labor.
Yarambwiye ngo ntuhagarike ibiterano urimo ndabyara amahoro ge.
She told me don't stop the mission you're on. Keep going, I will give safe birth.
Yareze abana wenyine kandi tubana.
She raised the children alone, yet I was here.
Icyo gihe nimwe narimo ndeba.
That I was attending you.
Abantu benshi bibaza impamvu umugore wanje atabwiriza nkanje adakora nkanje ariko imirimo yari igabuye.
Friends who are faithful and they became allies.
Africa Haguruka yabaye umwanya wo kwibutsa abanyafrika ko ubukene bwa karande atari isezerano kandi ko gutera imbere kwacu kutazava mu mahanga. Ntabwo ari Ubwongereza, ntabwo ari Ubufaransa, Ubudage, Portugal, Espagne, Amerika, Uburusiya, mu Barabu cyangwa mu Bushinwa.
Africa Arise served as an opportunity to remind Africans that poverty is not our heritage and that our prosperity will not come from the England, France, Germany, Portugal, Spain, America, Russia, Arabs, or even China.
Gutera imbere kwa Afrika kuzava ku Mana.
Africa's prosperity will solely come from God.
Kuko turabana bayo.
Because we are his offspring.
Hamwe n'Imana tuzakora iby'ubutwari.
With God we shall do great things.
Africa Haguruka.
Africa Arise.
Yabwirijwemo n'abarenga abantu 200.
Had over 200 speakers.
Babayobozi bubashwe ku isi hose.
Who are global honorable leaders.
Kwigishwe n'abarimu baza kaminuza.
We were taught by university professors.
N'abacuruzi bakomeye.
Great business people.
N'abashumba b'inyangamugayo.
Great faithful pastors.
N'abandi bakozi b'Imana benshi badushigikiye.
And many other great men of God who supported us.
Abo bose baciye kuri uruhimbi babwira Africa.
All of them stood here speaking to Africa.
Mu myaka 25 tumaze kandi twanahuye n'abasanebalati n'abageshemu n'abatobiya.
Again, in the past 25 years, we also met Sanballat, Geshem, and Tobiah.
Sinavuga ko barangiye na n'uyu munsi baracyahari n'ubu ndimo mvuga abasanebalati barahari n'abatobiya.
I'm not saying we no longer have them. Even today, we still have Sanballat and Tobias and Geshem.
Twarasebejwe cyane.
We have been insulted.
By'umwihariko nje naratutswe.
Particularly, I have been insulted.
Naciwe intege.
I was discouraged.
Naragambaniwe.
I was betrayed.
N'ibindi byinshi.
And so on.
Ariko mwaransengeye.
But you prayed for me.
Mwaranshigikiye n'umuryango wanje.
You supported me and my family.
Mubera amaso uyu murimo.
You kept watch for the
Dukomeza intumbero.
You kept advance on the mission.
Dufite uyu munsi tudacogoye.
Until today without stopping.
Ndagira ngo munyemerere mbashimire cyane.
Please allow me to thank you so much.
Hamwe n'umuryango wanje.
With my family.
Iyo bitaza kuba mwebwe.
If it wasn't for you,
simba nkiri hano.
I wouldn't be standing
here. Mba narapfuye.
Maybe I would be dead.
Cyangwa naragiye.
Or I've been gone somewhere.
Cyangwa naravuye mu byo kwizera.
Or maybe I would be no longer in the faithful thing.
Ariko gukubera gushigikira umurimo.
But because of your support for the ministry in supporting me.
Twese tugeje imyaka 25.
Here we are celebrating our 25th year.
Abo twabanye ku Karabo.
Those who are with me on the
bus,
until today you are still here.
Tuzagira umwanya wo kugenda tubivuga iki cyumwe.
We will have time to give details throughout the week. Brethren,
twazanye revolution muri iki gihugu.
We brought revolution in the nation.
Iby'imisozi kuva iby'imisozi nitwe twabizanye ubwa mbere.
We brought the spheres.
Kuko ntabwo abanyarwanda bari barumvise ko umuntu yaba muri politike ngo akorera Imana, yaba mu bucuruzi ngo akorera Imana. Nitwe twabizanye. Niba mubizi neza ko muri abahamya mwazamura amaboko.
Because the people did not know that you can be in politics but serve God, that you can be a business person who honors and serves God. We are the first who initiated, who brought it to light.
Ikindi kumva ko abantu bataba gusa pasiteri haba n'intumwa nitwe bambere babikoze muri iki gihugu. Kandi buri kintu cyose twakorwaga twagiraga ibyumweru n'amezi yo kubitukirwa. Ariko uyu munsi murabyitwa n'abatabihamagariwe bakabyitwa ntawo Abanyafrika bari muri diaspora.
African diaspora.
Ndetse n'abirabura bajyanywe mu mahanga.
And Africa descent.
Hamwe no kuyoborwa n'umwuka wera.
with the guidance of the Holy Spirit,
twatangije Africa Haguruka igamije kuzana impinduka zifuzwa n'Imana ku mugabane wacu.
We launched Africa Arise and Shine to bring godly transformative change in our continent.
Nta hantu namwe twari twarigeze twumva abantu bakora igiterane cyitirirwa umugabane n'igihugu.
We had never seen or heard people hosting such conference on the behalf of the name of the country or even the continent.
Aho twabaye nko muri Kenya,
where we have lived in Kenya,
aho twabaye muri Congo,
where we lived in Congo,
ibiterane byose byavugaga ijambo rimwe.
All the conferences had
Ngwino wakira ibitangaza.
Come and receive your
Ngwino
miracle.
wakira agakiza.
Come and receive salvation.
Imana itubuye ngo muze mukora igiterane kivuga ngo Africa Haguruka, twibajije niba atari inzaduka zije.
So when God told us to start the conference Africa Arise, we wondered what was coming.
Tugitangiza ubwa mbere,
when we first started it,
nakiri inzandiko zigera ku 100 zari zorejwe n'abanyamuka wa Pentecote, barambwira ngo nimbo ndajyana abantu ikuzimu, sinimbo majana mu ijuru, kuko ndavuga ibya Africa ho kuvuga ijuru.
I received many letters of those who are so-called spiritual saying, you are leading people astray, what you're doing it's not right, because all you talk about is Africa, heaven is not being mentioned.
Ndetse hari nabandi banyandikiye ngo ngo abanyafrika baravumwe ngo ni Yesu wenyine uzatugeza mu ijuru, ibyo muvuga ntibizashoboka.
And some wrote to us saying Africans have been cursed, they cannot go to heaven.
Ariko Imana yambwiye ko atari byo.
But God told me otherwise.
Hamwe ne kuyoborwa n'umwuka wera twatangije Africa Haguruka igamije kuzana izimpinduka zifuzwa n'Imana ku mugabane wacu.
So being led by the Holy Spirit, we started Africa Arise and Shine to bring God the transformative change in our continent.
Igiterane cya mbere twagikoze mu kwezi kwa 8 itariki 6, mu kwezi kwa itariki 6 tugeza ku itariki 12 muri 2.
The first conference took place August from 6 that took place in 2000.
Itariki 6
from the 6th
kugeza ku 12
to the 12th
mu kwezi kwa 8
in August.
mu mwaka wa 2000.
If Zion Temple came out of nothing and spread to all over continents, you ought to prepare yourselves, raise Africa, grow, avoid sinful ways, strive to work hard, lead, put effort into your education, and use all opportunities you get to tackle Africa's pressing issues.
Bavandimwe,
Brethren,
sinasoza ndashimiye abantu bose bagize umumaro muri iyi myaka 25 ishize.
I cannot conclude without thanking all who played important roles in the past 25
Abubatsi
years.
umurimo.
Those who build this ministry.
Harimo itafari ryawe.
Your brick is in it. Your brick is in it. Your brick is in it. It's not a work of a one individual, but a work of all.
Abubatsi umurimo.
Those who serve in the ministry, I thank you.
Abatanze impano n'ubutunzi bwabo.
Those who give their talents and wealth,
turabashimiye.
I thank you.
Mwese,
all of you,
ndagira ngo mbashimire hamwe n'umuryango wanje.
Let me thank you on behalf of my family.
Abashumba bagenzi banje bo mu yandi matorero.
Fellow pastors from other churches.
Abayobozi b'imiryango ya Gikristo.
Leaders of all churches and families.
Guverinoma y'u Rwanda n'abayigize.
The government of Rwanda.
Inzego zitandukanye zo mu Rwanda.
All levels of Rwanda.
Mwese ndabashimira byimazeyo.
I thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Ko mwashigikiye ikorwa ikaba kigeze kure.
You have supported this ministry and here we are.
Cyatangiye ari umukenke none uyu munsi ni inganza marumbu.
It started small but now we are all over.
Kubwo mwihariko.
A special
ndagira ngo nshimire umugore wanje Pastor Angelique Gitwaza.
I would like to thank my wife Pastor Angelique Gitwaza.
Ndamushimira.
I thank her
kuko yihanganiye umugabo w'intege nke.
For she bear the husband with his weaknesses.
Kandi ntashwa yari afite ni Imana yamuhaye.
She had no choice, she had been given to me.
Ariko muri ziriya ntege nke niho yabashe kuzuza nawe aho ndashoboye.
But through my weaknesses she fulfilled.
Yampaye courage.
She encouraged me.
Yarambwiye ngo kora umurimo w'Imana.
She told me go and serve God.
Nigi yari kwibagira barimo bamubaga kubyara.
Even when she was in the operating room on the labor.
Yarambwiye ngo nduhagarika ibiterano urimo ndabyara amahoro ge.
She told me don't stop the mission you're on. Keep going, I will give safe birth.
Yareze abana wenyine kandi tubana.
She raised the children alone, yet I was here.
Icyo gihe nimwe narimo ndeba.
That I was attending you.
Abantu benshi bibaza impamvu umugore wanje atabwiriza nkanje adakora nkanje, ariko imirimo yari igabuye. Ni undeba, ni umenya, ni ureba abana, ni ureba urugo. Tugize ngo twese tubarebe urugo ndigwagira urureba.
Many wondered why my wife doesn't come and preach like I do. No, the tasks are divided. She's in charge of the family. She takes care of me. She takes care of our family.
kandi ibyo abikora bikunze.
And she does it with a loving heart.
Namusabye kera kuza hano imbere.
I have asked many times for her to come on the pulpit.
Arambwira ngo nzakumenya menye n'aba.
But she said, no, I will take care of you and the children.
Ndagira ngo mumpera amashyi n'impundu.
Please give her a round of applause.
Imana yo izi ibyo nshoboye n'indege nke zanjye niwe yampaye muri uyu murimo uvunaniye.
God, knowing my strengths and weaknesses, He gave me to her.
Yaransengeye,
She's prayed for
aranyihanganira,
me. She bear
arashigira cyane
She supported
hamwe
me
n'abana bacu.
with our children.
Elize,
Luka,
Luke na Dawudi.
and David.
Dawidi na Luka
David and Luke
bavukiye Michigan.
in the US.
Elize yavukiye mu Bubiligi.
Eliza was born in Belgium.
Elize yavutse adashyitse.
Eliza was born prematurely.
Abandi bavutse Luka bavuga ngo ntameze neza, ibihaha bye si byiza, ndetse bavuga ko atameze neza mu gihorihori.
They said Luke had some health issues in his lungs and also in the brain.
Ariko abo bana nibo turimo dukorana umurimo Dallas uyu munsi.
But today I'm serving the Lord in the ministry in Zion Temple, Dallas.
Luke ni ukora muri sound, David akora mu makamera.
Luke works with the sound, David works with the video.
Luke mu gitondo akajya guterura ama instrument ni utegura byose mu rusengero.
Luke organizes, he really actually does all the sound systems.
Uwo n'umwana wavutse ndi mu ivuga butumwa.
He was born while I was on the mission.
None abo nibo barimo bakora uyu munsi.
But today they are serving.
Ariko ndabishimira mama wabo wabareze.
But all these thanks to their mother who raised them.
Haba hari abo twatangiranye, aha turi hari abo twatangiranye tumaranye imyaka 25 bagumanye natwe mu ntege nke zacu, igihe babonye dufite intege nke ntibadutaye ahubwo baradutwikiriye. Ndagira ngo mbashimire.
Here we are with those whom we started the ministry together for the past 25. They never left us. They stayed us in our strength, in our weaknesses. They supported us and encouraged
Icyiza
us.
mwamenye.
The good thing that you have learned.
Mwamenye ko atari umuntu mwakurikiye ahubwo mwakurikiye Imana yamwohereje.
You have learned that you did not follow the person, the man, but you follow God who sent him.
Bavandimwe,
Brethren,
ndabashimiye cyane.
I thank you so much.
Mu mijugujugu y'ibibazo twanyuzemo,
amid the storms of troubles we have gone through,
mwakomeje kutubera amaso muri uyu murimo.
you kept watching over this ministry.
Hari n'abandi baje nyuma y'iyi myaka ngo dufatanye.
And some joined after these 25 years.
Yewe hari n'abavutse nyuma.
And there are those who were born after.
Mwese ndabashimiye.
But I thank you all
Ku mirimo mwakoze niyo murimo mukora.
for the works you've been doing up to
Ndifurije
today.
umugisha w'Imana.
I wish you the blessings from God.
Nimugire isabukuru nziza.
May you have a good anniversary.
Imana ibahe umugisha.
May God bless you.